This is Boatshed, Cornwall, doing an interior tour of a Roma 36 steel ketch. So I'm stood in the nav station, just making my way forward on the starboard side, down into what is the main cabin. Starboard bunk cum seat, complete with mainsail, cabin heater. This goes up to the deck, and then moving forward into the forward cabin area. So this is the forward cabin, complete with double berth. Step back, so I'll reverse out of here, and on the starboard side is the heads cum shower. So there's the sink with the shower hose, the manual pump for the toilet, and shower tray, complete with shower curtain. So I'll shut the door. I'm moving forward now, looking at what is the port side. This is the saloon. Complete with chair. And then just moving aft towards the galley area. Lots of locker space. And then back up the companionway into the helm position. This is the chart table, cum engine cover, and then these are the helm station, complete with instruments and controls. So this completes the interior tour of a Roma 36 steel ketch. David from Boatshed, Cornwall.